Good day, this is Rashmi and you're watching SK Live, your time, your news. Moving towards the headlines. Less than 1,000 coronavirus deaths recorded for 8 consecutive days in India. Having property ownership rights, big step towards making country Atmanirbhar, PM Modi. Congress woman leader thrashed by party cadre, NCW ask UP DGP to arrest culprits. Moving towards the headlines in details. India's COVID-19 recoveries crossed the 60 lakh mark, while less than 1,000 coronavirus deaths have been recorded daily for 8 consecutive days, the Union Health Ministry said on Sunday. Active cases of coronavirus are less than 9 lakh for third day in a row. With increasing recoveries, India has sustained its leading global position with the maximum recovered cases. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday launched the physical distribution property cards under the Swamitva scheme via video conferencing and asserted that it is a historic move that will transform rural India. This will pave the way for villagers to use property as a financial asset for taking loans and other financial benefits and end disputes among villagers over land ownership, he said. The National Commission for Women took cognizance of the incident wherein a woman Congress leader was beaten up via party workers and said that a letter will be sent to the Uttar Pradesh Director General of Police to arrest the culprits. The Commissionerate of Customs on Sunday seized 873 grams of gold in compound form and 175 grams of 24-carat gold from 2 different passengers at the Kozhikode International Airport. Senior JMM leader Shankar Ravani and his wife were found murdered at their residence in Jharkhand's Dhanbad district early on Sunday, police said. Prima facie it seemed that Ravani and Balika Devi were shot and then stabbed to death at their home in Bhavra area, Dhanbad. City Superintendent of Police Ram Kumar said. Ahead of Bihar Assembly elections, Chief Minister Nitish Kumar on Sunday announced Janata Dal United 7 Nischay Part 2 plan for the state's development and making it self-reliant in the coming years. A case has been registered against 4 people after a temple priest was allegedly shot at in Itya Thok, according to Gonda police on Sunday. Music, laughing and yoga therapies have been introduced as a part of treatment for COVID-19 patients at the Sir Sayaji Rao General Hospital in Gujarat's Vadodara district. Keeping the upcoming festival season in mind, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan on Sunday advised people to follow COVID-19 guidelines strictly during the phase, failing which the pandemic could once again raise its head and pose increased threats to the society. Sunrisers Hyderabad on Sunday won the toss and opted to bat first against Rajasthan Royals in Indian Premier League here at the Dubai International Stadium. That's all for today's news. Keep watching SK Live.
आपके विजुअल एडवर्टीजमेंट के लिए SK Live ही बेस्ट ऑप्शन है। SK Live का इस क्षेत्र में 24 घंटा टेलीविजन, एंड्रॉइड ऐप और वेबसाइट पर प्रसारण होता है। सोशल मीडिया पर भी हम उपलब्ध हैं। हमारी व्यूवरशिप 9 लाख से अधिक है। सिक्किम, हैथवे और NXT डिजिटल पर, दार्जिलिंग और कालिम्पोंग में दोनों हैथवे और CCN सेटअप बॉक्स पर, क्लामपुर से लेके मैनागुड़ी हैथवे पर, सिटी केबल पर, सिलीगुड़ी और आसपास, नक्सलबाड़ी से पानी टंकी तक NXT डिजिटल में। तो सोचिए नहीं, कॉल करें 7908554308।